You can do the Facebook to get leads. I showed you how you can do that. Another thing that I love to do to get leads that work really good is yard signs, right? Yard signs work amazing even for Christmas lights. The Christmas Light Pro installers with the phone number. Again, Christmas light yard signs do work really well for our business, for our Christmas lights. Christmas lights, yard signs work good. Again, you can post into Facebook groups. You can do Facebook groups. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can do Google Ads. There's lots of ways to get leads, right? And the goal of it is how do you get lots of leads? Because if you get 10 leads and your close rate is 10%, that means you got one job. So the question is how do I get 100 leads, which means I got 10 jobs? How do I get 1,000 leads, which means I have 100 jobs, right? And so that is why it is important that we do several things to get lots of leads. Again, a lot of times everybody focuses on this here, but this here is the easy part, right? Anybody, literally my 9-year-old daughter can go clip like that. That's not the hard part. They can make sure that it looks good. You want to get to the people that, oh, my bulb's not in the peaks, right?